Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today we're diving into a fascinating paper. An algorithm for affordable vision-based GNSS denied strap-down celestial navigation. It's all about using the stars for drone navigation, even without GPS. Exciting, right?
Absolutely. GNSS denial is a huge concern. So how does this algorithm work, in a nutshell?
Essentially, they're using a camera to take pictures of the night sky. By identifying stars and knowing their positions, they can calculate the drone's location. But here's the clever part. It's a strap-down system, meaning the camera isn't stabilized. This makes it much cheaper and lighter.
I see. But wouldn't a non-stabilized camera introduce significant errors? How do they compensate for that?
That's the brilliant part. They have the drone fly in a circle, a full 360-degree rotation. The errors from the unstabilized camera create a circular pattern in the position estimates. By averaging these estimates, they effectively cancel out the errors. Ingenious!
Wow! So they're using motion to their advantage. What kind of accuracy are we talking about?
They achieve position estimates within about 4 kilometers. Not pinpoint accuracy like GPS, but still remarkably useful, especially considering the low cost and weight. They even developed an iterative method for in-flight camera alignment with the AHRS without needing external position data. Amazing!
That's impressive. But doesn't this method rely on clear night skies? What about cloudy conditions or daytime operation?
You're right, that's a limitation. They mentioned that future research could explore using shortwave infrared cameras, which might work better in daylight or cloudy conditions. But even with the current limitations, the potential for this technology is huge. Think of the applications.
Definitely. This could be a game changer for autonomous drones operating in areas where GPS is unreliable or unavailable. Military applications, search and rescue, even oceanographic research. The possibilities are endless.
Exactly. And the fact that it's affordable and lightweight makes it even more appealing. The paper details the algorithms for star detection, tracking, and position estimation, using techniques like Kalman filtering and RANSAC. It's a really well-structured and detailed piece of work. I'm particularly impressed by their use of RANSAC to filter out erroneous star detections.
I agree. The use of RANSAC is a nice touch. It adds robustness to the system. And the fact that they validated their algorithm with real flight data is crucial. Did they address any potential challenges or limitations beyond the sky visibility issue?
Yes, they discussed the impact of wind during orbital maneuvers. Interestingly, their simulations showed that maintaining a fixed attitude during the orbit, even with wind drift, produced more accurate results than trying to maintain a constant radius around a point using GPS. That's a counterintuitive finding, but their data supports it.
That's a really important point. It highlights the importance of understanding the system's dynamics and optimizing the control strategy accordingly. Fascinating stuff.
Absolutely. This research opens up exciting avenues for future development. Imagine integrating this with other navigation systems for even greater robustness. This is a significant step forward in GNSS-denied navigation for UAVs.
Definitely. Thanks for breaking down this complex paper for us. It's clear that this algorithm has the potential to revolutionize drone navigation. A truly impressive piece of work.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.